Yeah, it's interesting because they had that meeting right before that jobs report came out. Look, our view is the Fed is going to wait as long as possible and then probably cut by 50 basis points. Whether that's September or not, it's hard to say. But I think that that it's going to be either probably September or December. I don't think they will be able to wait much longer than that. But the Fed is in a pickle, right? Inflation is going to go up over the next couple of months with these tariffs. Job growth is slowing down. And, if I'm Chair Powell, I think you just kind of wait it out and see what's going to happen. But the real issue is some of this data that we're seeing now.
Right.
People aren't sure if it's real, if it's going to be revised. The survey percent rate, people responding to surveys for the non-farm payrolls has gone from 65% to close to 40%, right. And that gives people less confidence in the data.
Can we talk about something cool, like an Audible?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What we have is bad architecture. Like I go to London and I go, I'm like King Charles. I'm like, you're kidding me. In Connecticut, at Yale, and you crewed at Yale, there's a success from 5 years ago. The Gilder family, the architect for this was Turner Brooks. The new boathouse at Yale, you almost want to cry. It's so gorgeous. How did that happen?
Well, look, I was fortunate to row at Yale, and everybody back home is going to be laughing because they're going to think I asked you to ask me this question.
No,
it's not true whatsoever.
It's spiritual, the building.
But it is. And look, we have a great alumni network at Yale for rowing. They give very generously. We were able to raise that very large sum of money. And the nice thing is when you go in, it's a modern structure, but fits in with the river.
Oh,
so
yeah, look
it's
at this
like
thing.
To make you cry.
Look at this thing.
How'd you do at the Charles River race in Boston? Were you sober?
When I was rowing, I was 100% sober, for sure.
Yeah, when I was on the boat.
I was. Another great building at Yale is our hockey rink as well. It was the guy who designed the TWA terminal at JFK, Saracen.
Cool.
So there's great architecture at Yale if you're ever in New Haven.